what is CIS International and what are your products?
CIS International stands for Creation Information Service. So we are the manufacturer of water purifier in Korea. So all our products are made in Korea.
What are the benefits of using your products?
Benefits of using our products, so instead of having water delivery at home, so you can rent our product or you can opt to purchase. So this one, not ordinary water dispenser, so you don't need to buy bottled water. This one has own filtration inside, so when the water comes out, automatic alkaline or mineral water.
How to avail your products?
We offer rent to own also, and then if somebody wanted to buy, so we offer also purchase for the product. So kung sino man yung gusto, interested, company or sa bahay, gusto nyo magkaroon ng sariling water station sa bahay. So right now, we offer free of installation fee. So as low as 500 pesos, and then we will require just 1 month advance, 1 month deposit. So we will install, just we need to know your complete address, name, and then contact number. So this one, free of cleaning every month, free change of filter, and then we are DOH approved. So matitest natin na talagang safe ang ating tubig. Okay. So right now we have 3 branches located in Baguio, Manila, and then Bulacan. So medyo marami na. Right now we have at least 2,000 clients for the rental, and then we have 60 distributors nationwide. Still, we are looking for more distributors nationwide.